anyone know how to drive?
Slink, take the pedals. Rex, you navigate. Ham and Potato, operate the levers and knobs.
Whoa!
Strangers from the outside.
Oh, no.
He's in a red light! We can catch him!
Maximum power, Slink!
Whoa! It turned green! Hurry!
Why won't it go?
Use the wand of power.
Rex, which way?
Left! I mean right! That's right! The right is left! Left is right! Buzz, he's turning left! He's turning left!
Oh, I seriously doubt he's getting this kind of mileage.
Go right! To the right! Right, 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 right!
You have saved our lives. We are eternally grateful.
Yeah, whatever.